Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Instagram that allows you to enable account suggestions right from your PC. This feature is a game changer for anyone looking to expand their reach and connect with more users. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to your profile by clicking on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, look for the More icon on the left side menu. It typically appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. Now select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Here, find and click on Edit Profile. This is where the magic happens. In the Edit Profile section, scroll down until you see the option labeled Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. Make sure to enable this feature by checking the box next to it. By doing this, you're allowing Instagram to suggest your profile to users who follow accounts similar to yours, effectively increasing your visibility. Once you've enabled this setting, don't forget to click Submit at the bottom of the page to save your changes. This simple action can significantly enhance your chances of being discovered by new followers who share similar interests. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully enabled account suggestions on your Instagram profile using your PC. This feature not only helps you grow your audience, but also connects you with like-minded individuals in the Instagram community. Remember, staying active and engaging with other accounts can further boost your visibility. So, get out there and start connecting. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy Instagramming.